Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Apollo AI. So if you don't know what Apollo AI is, it's basically an app that helps you find leads. So let's go to Reddit here and read the comments here that somebody asked if has anyone used Apollo? And many are saying that Apollo is great, Apollo is solid, it's decent, and it's the best bang for your buck. It's been recommended to me more than once. I'm going to back look on it. It's highly affordable, and I used to work with a combination of Apollo, Salesloft. Apollo is a LinkedIn plugin for contact information, but I moved to Apollo for emailing as well, and they're really happy. And yeah, that is basically it. So many people are saying that Apollo is a solid and affordable app, and it is basically trusted by people on Reddit. So yeah, that is people's review on Apollo. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.